The 2026 Harley Davidson Fat Boy stands as a symbol of pure American muscle, wrapped in unmistakable style and attitude that has defined Harley for generations. The moment it rolls onto the stage, the presence is undeniable. The wide stance, the solid disc Lakester wheels, and the broad shoulders of the bike create a silhouette that every motorcycle enthusiast immediately recognizes. For 2026, Harley has taken the classic Fat Boy identity and pushed it into the future, refining the design, enhancing the performance, and upgrading the overall riding experience while staying loyal to the spirit that made this model legendary. The first thing that captures attention is the redesigned LED lighting profile. The signature front LED headlamp is now sharper and more focused, adding a modern edge to the timeless heavy metal aesthetic. The chrome accents across the handlebar, forks, and exhaust system shine brighter and feel more premium, giving the Fat Boy a more commanding presence both day and night. The solid disc wheels remain the highlight of its design, now re-engineered for 2026 with improved aerodynamics and reduced weight, ensuring better handling without compromising the iconic bold look that is a trademark of the Fat Boy. Under the massive frame lies the beating heart of this machine. The Milwaukee Eight 121 engine, tuned specifically for the Fat Boy 2026. With smoother torque delivery and an even more responsive throttle, the bike offers a riding experience that blends raw power with refined control. The low-end torque is especially impressive, allowing the bike to surge forward effortlessly even at lower RPMs. Whether you're cruising on long highways or maneuvering through city roads, the engine feels alive, confident, and ready to respond at the slightest twist of the throttle. Harley has also improved the cooling efficiency for long rides, ensuring consistent performance even on the hottest days or the longest journeys. The 2026 Fat Boy also introduces a re-engineered suspension system. The front suspension feels firmer yet more forgiving, absorbing bumps without losing stability. The rear monoshock is adjustable, giving riders the flexibility to tune their setup based on the terrain or personal preference. This upgraded suspension significantly improves cornering stability, making the Fat Boy feel more agile than ever despite its heavy muscular frame. It still carries that heavyweight cruiser vibe, but now with better balance and smoother handling that modern riders will appreciate. Riding comfort has also taken a major leap. The seat is redesigned with enhanced cushioning, offering better back support for long-distance cruising. The rider triangle has been optimized. The handlebars sit slightly higher for a more relaxed arm posture, and the footboards are positioned perfectly to keep the rider comfortable even during extended hours on the road. The pillion seat remains spacious, keeping passenger comfort a priority for two upriders who enjoy exploring roads together. Every angle of the Fat Boy is engineered to give the rider maximum comfort without compromising its muscular appeal. The technological upgrades for 2026 elevate the Fat Boy into the modern age of motorcycling. A new full-color TFT display replaces the older dial setup, giving riders access to navigation, music, ride statistics, and motorcycle diagnostics. Bluetooth connectivity makes it easy to pair smartphones for hands-free functions. The display is bright, responsive, and designed to stay visible even under harsh sunlight. Harley has also added multiple riding modes, allowing the bike to adapt its throttle response, traction control, and ABS behavior based on road conditions. Whether you choose touring mode for long journeys, sport mode for aggressive performance, or rain mode for extra grip, the bike adjusts itself seamlessly to keep the ride smooth and controlled. Safety features have also seen impressive upgrades. The new traction control system is more sensitive and reacts faster to wheel slip, giving riders added confidence on wet or uneven road surfaces. Cornering ABS now comes standard, helping maintain stability during sharp turns or sudden braking. The braking system is upgraded with high-performance calipers and improved disc design, providing stronger and more consistent stopping power. These safety improvements ensure that the powerful Fat Boy remains predictable and secure in all riding situations. Design refinements extend to the exhaust system as well. The 2026 Fat Boy features a more sculpted and aggressive exhaust profile. The chrome finish reflects the classic Harley soul, while the enhanced sound tuning gives the bike a deep, thunderous growl that Harley fans crave. The exhaust note is bold but refined, loud enough to make its presence known yet tuned to meet new emission and noise standards without losing its character. Another underrated improvement is the improved fuel efficiency and reduced vibration. While the Fat Boy remains a powerhouse, Harley has worked on optimizing combustion and reducing friction to improve mileage. At cruising speeds, the bike feels significantly smoother, with reduced handlebar vibration and better weight distribution, making it ideal for long rides. Customization remains a core element of Harley Davidson's philosophy, and the Fat Boy 2026 is no exception. Riders can choose from a wide range of official accessories, from touring saddlebags and windshields to chrome upgrades, performance exhaust options, and custom handlebars. The bike's frame and design structure make it a perfect canvas for personal expression, allowing every owner to create a version of the Fat Boy that reflects their style. In essence, the Harley Davidson Fat Boy 2026 is a bold evolution of a timeless legend. It carries the same intimidating stance, the same muscular energy, and the same rebellious attitude that made the Fat Boy famous, but now with modern luxury, improved performance, and cutting-edge technology. It is a machine for riders who value heritage but demand modern comfort and capability. Whether it's cruising on open highways or turning heads at every stop, the Fat Boy 2026 stands tall as a true icon reborn for a new generation of riders.